Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of favorite templates so they show up in this sort of space right there. So go to template and select the template that you want to sort of favorite. Press use template. Then I'm just going to choose a random picture of this, then press preview. After that, you are just going to press the X and then you are just going to press save. Go back, and then if you go to edit and go to templates, the sort of template will be there for you to use again. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!